I need some crack if you don't mind. I need some crack to help the crack in my back. And also, if you don't mind while you're at it, I need some helium too. Helium always gets me higher than that crack. The crack sometimes makes me crack open on some secrets I don't want anybody to know it. But the helium makes me get nice and high in the stratosphere. Or the ozone layer. I can't remember which one is one, 'cause the crack has cracked up my mind and the helium has lifted it to God. Maybe sometime later I'll understand how the world works. While you're at it, give me the plant and give me some helium. 'Cause I need to get a little bit higher, and both of them are gonna take me to heaven.